Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how with these amazing tools with concrete leveling tripods and 4D laser level you can make easy concrete or wood subfloor leveling. In my previous video I showed you how I started in this house to do leveling, and this house sloping to one side very much, so level it's not possible to do, and I start leveling by the rooms, by the parts. So first of all I did leveling in kitchen and dining area, and now I do leveling in the entrance. So first of all I want to level this entrance. For checking level in this area I'm using 4D laser level. This laser level is unique because bottom transmitter, or how to say, laser line is only 6 mm from the ground floor. That's why very easy to find high or lower spot. What I am doing now. Link to this laser level you can find in description for this video. When you move this laser level from side to side, you will find the highest spot. It showed with a green shadow. You see, this is the highest spot here. So I don't want to go higher this entrance. You see, and it's going right here. You see line? It's gonna be almost cover this point and go around. We can come by this point. You see these spots here. With straight edge it's very hard to do it. With tripods, not a problem. Okay, so we just take tripods. This one. You see line on the bottom of this bottom plate. So concrete coming exactly to this bottom plate. Very easy. So just we set up this line and fill up this place. There's the line. Sorry. More. And also you see this green spot I just mark, so we have to come by this point. Okay, that's it. Now we can fill it up. see, I put not higher than bottom plate, by the bottom plate, okay? So, next barrel. Here is I spread the sulfur compound with squeezer. This is a rubber squeezer with metal body. You can install to any handles. This tool I bought in some janitor store, you know, that just guys are using for cleaning the tiles or concrete floor. Very easy to use. In my videos you will see so many simple things, which one you can use for floor preparation, and I always explain you as the floor preparation is the key for your installation. So if it's good leveling, and floor will be looks really good. Okay, you see, I just put 0. I slide hole from the high spot self-leveling compound. Now, if you have a look at tripods, you see plates exactly can't come to the bottom plate. Very easy. Now, I'll just take it and wash it. So some people ask me why I'm not using spike shoes. Because this is the wood subfloor and OSB. I just scared to make any holes. You know, over concrete subfloor it's easy, but you know, better don't play with this. Nice and easy. Where is the heat? Just wash it. Just wash it. You see how it's easy to work? Okay, go to another area. Here is the next day. I grinded the high H, what I showed you before, and so it's ready for installation. So from on Monday I will start install this floor. It's glued down. A little bit tricky to do it because this floor is with click system, but we can do it. It's not the first day when I start do installation. If you have any question, ask me. I will always answer you. See you next video.